Where we'll start from?
Let's start from the corridor.
Okay.
Yes.
And the corridor be this?
Yes.
Okay, explain to us which is the yoga.
So this is two beam. So we now raise them up.
Okay.
So we know dual lighting because it's our site. We don't want to bed to build a house on it. So that is why. So this place where dirty, they never plaster this place before we do the POP.
Okay, this particular place. So.
Yes. When bricklayer want to plaster it, then sun touch them.
Okay.
But they will later paint it. Okay. Everything go there.
You will do neat.
Neat.
Okay. Make we check and small they go.
So let us enter the waiting parlor.
So,
yeah.
Okay, they explain to us.
Yeah.
Which kind of design be this one?
So this design is is a waiting parlor, and this side is a parlor. So
this particular place, parlor.
Yes.
Okay, make you come this side. Oh, see from here, show our viewers, and then they see which in the other side. Wow, this design, they very neat. Soga.
Yeah.
Now, the Oga or Madam, I choose this particular design for you.
Yes, she's the one choosing.
Can I tell you which you want to do?
Yes.
Okay. So where we'll check again?
Okay, let's check the dining here. Here is the dining.
This particular place. Okay.
Let's see this room.
Which kind of design say with this one?
This design with the color plus.
This one across?
Plus, center.
Plus. Okay.
So it never, we just finish, it never dry. That is why all those colors they show. Once it dry now, everything will white.
Okay, once it dry now, everything will white?
Yes.
So now just they finish the work, so?
Yes.
Okay. But this place not dry?
It don't dry, but it never dry finish.
Okay.
So let's check the passage.
Wow. I mean this one?
Yes.
Now you go like this, they go?
Yes, yes.
So which one be this one, okay?
Yeah, that room.
Okay.
So let's check the kitchen here. Here is the kitchen.
This place? Now
see the passage.
I never still dry?
I never dry.
Okay.
Let's check the master room here.
And here be the master room, abi?
Yes.
This one, now where be this?
This one a toilet, master toilet.
Okay. So, when all these things will take dry?
2 weeks later, everything will dry.
2 weeks.
Later.
Okay.
Let's check another room, yeah?
So which kind of pattern design should be this one?
This one in and drop children.
This one too?
Toilet.
So this one don't get pattern, not get design. I just plain.
Yes.
And you do this one. So that one see there? Yeah, with this one.
Toilet. This one we call it manhole.
Okay.
Where electrician will follow go up.
What you say be?
Manhole.
Okay, here na manhole. What is the reason I do, oga?
Electrician go follow there go up.
Okay, so now here electrician will follow in case of maintenance.
Yes.
Okay. So that one see the one you want to show us?
No, it don't finish.
Okay. Make you come here, you can view us, and then they see your face. So, Oga, we don't see the work when you do, and we get the belief saying the best now you give this our viewer.
Yes.
Okay, so Oga, you feel tell our viewers in case they need you may come work for other part of the country, especially the west or your Osun, Ekiti, Ondo, Ogun State, so Lagos, and even Kwara. If you go there, go work.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Okay. So Oga, you feel tell our viewers this work when they here, now how much it cost and now how much you they do and a per square meter they do
na per square meter.
Now madam buy the materials?
No, na me buy my materials.
So now you carry them as contract?
Yes.
Okay, so make it tell viewers how much it cost.
Okay, this work here is 1.5.
1.5 million?
Yes.
Okay. So how many square meter they yoga?
Now 170.
170 square meter. So in a case whereby the person say you want to buy materials for you, maybe your colleague or partnership, now how much should they charge?
Now 3,000 per square meter.
Per square meter?
Yes.
Okay. So our viewers all over the world, we thank you now for the time until they watch our video. So Oga, make you give us your phone number.
Okay.
In case they want to reach you.
090-3724-6685.
Again?
090-3724-6685.
Okay. So thank you all.